Well, I've just gotten my box, and I ordered online a new mixer, and I was about to open it, and I said, well, let me unbox it on camera. So I've been wanting a new mixer, but I didn't want to buy a KitchenAid. Everybody's talking about the KitchenAid. I have, and I've shown you before, my Kitchen Center by Oster, and I still want to know why Oster stopped making it. So I went online and I said, there's got to be some other mixers out here that are as, good as Kitchen Center. So I went online and found out there were a lot. Now the only thing about this box, it's really light. So I'm really surprised. I had them ship it in an Amazon box because they said, now you have a choice, because otherwise the box would have shown on my porch, but I was here when the doorbell rang. Now, this is a brand that I've never heard of. Now, looks like I'm going to need to... Never heard of this brand, but I looked at... Whoops. I looked at the reviews online, and the people that reviewed it, so a lot of times their only complaint was that it was a plastic housing. But I looked at my Kitchen Center, and guess what? It's a plastic housing. And I've had it since, let's see, 77 to 78 to 80, 77 to 80, wait a minute, 77 to 87 to 97 to 2007 to 2017. I've had it 40 years, a little over 40 years, 42 years. And the housing's never cracked. It's faded. So I'll probably see, I might do one of, the comparisons between the two. I've been on eBay because I hadn't found anything, because I've got every attachment imaginable. Okay, so let's look at the top. So it's a mixer, a stand mixer. It looks like a kitchen. Let's see if you can see it. So it looks like a KitchenAid. Alright, so I'm going to pull this. So it's boxed, but I see it's got the name on the outside. So, okay. So now I've got overboxed. My son would have a fit because I did this overboxing thing. But, yeah, it's upside down. So here's what it's supposed to look like, but it's supposed to be red. I ordered red, not black. So let's see. Stand mixer. Oh, it's red on the other side. Picture is red on the other side. So hopefully this is red, because my little things like my spoon holder, and I did have a teapot, were red. Yes. Well, it's a different kind of red, but it's red. Okay, so here I go again. What's it saying? Package details. Oh, so it's got all the attachments. Okay, another upside downer. I'm just so tickled. Okay, she's upside down. Let's right side her up. This isn't like having refrigeration in here, but it's really light. which is fine for me, you know. So, okay, so the dough hook is there. The mixer, so the one is there, so that's 2. Okay, that's 2 pieces. Oh, by the way, this is a 6-quarter. So with the kitchen center, the 6-quart was going to run like almost $400, 3 something, $400 and some dollars. The 6-quart thing. Yes, it is a plastic housing. You turn. Let's see, this, look at that, it rises automatically, I don't have to pull it. So there's that, and then a really nice bowl, and it sits right in here, so it looks like, yeah, so it looks like it, well, it's in plastic. Okay, all this stuff has to get washed. So there's a little notch, there's a little notch. And in here, so it holds it in. Put this, push it down, and it looks beautiful. It is gorgeous. And there shows you the lock there. So I got my whisk. I have, let's see how you pull this thing out here. I guess you just push it out. There it is. So, and oh, this is metal, but I've also seen, they said put these in the dishwasher because this is, it's a metal, but it has a coating on it. You want to get that off. So I'll make sure I do that. I'm tickled. Now, this does not have attachments. This doesn't have the meat grinder. It doesn't have the vegetable slicer or the ricer, and all those things that are the attachments I have for my kitchen center. However, I'm not getting rid of my kitchen center. What I wanted was this large, powerful mixer, and one that did more than my kitchen center. The only, see, with my kitchen center being 40-some years old, if I was going to start doing lots of big dough in it, I wasn't sure if the motor was going to hold up anymore, because I haven't figured out how to take it apart and you know, service the motor to see if it needs some oil or anything like that. Besides, I wanted something gorgeous. Now this is more of a burgundy than a red, but that's okay, it'll still fit in my kitchen. So I told my daughter that I was going to do an experiment today with making my bread. It's time for me to make bread. And the recipe I use, I just throw it in the bread machine and put it on dough. However, with my starting to take and do my pastry class, my certification in pastry arts, I foresee myself using this a lot more. The kitchen center gets used, but not as much as it used to. So anyway, I am tickled with this. We will be back, and maybe I'll do a picture of me making the bread with this later today. Take care. I forgot this. Wonder how this goes. Okay. Put this up. And That's going to be interesting. Figure out how to put this on. There's that back. So do you put this on first? And then... Well, I'm going to have to figure out how to put this on. Because this is the tray, right? And also how to take these off. So I got to... Well, that's easy. Take that off. Okay, that's tight. Oh, you know what? That's what you get for not paying attention. So this goes up like this, the splatter shield. There's a little opening there. You put this back on. Okay. There. Put that. Oops. Well, you gotta put it on, push it up, and turn it. Okay. And now I'll put this back down. Well, we'll figure it out. This has got to come up here. There must be something here that I lock it onto. There. There you go. Well, this is right here, so I'll put it there. Figured it out. Okay, without looking at the directions.